Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
Today is Friday, and my friends and I want to go out for dinner tonight. We walk quickly down the busy street to our favorite new Italian place. I really like the bright, warm lights and the nice, comfortable atmosphere inside. We open the heavy glass door and see a friendly young woman standing there. I politely ask the nice young hostess, "A table for 3 people, please." She checks the big list and says, "Do you have a reservation for this evening?" No, we do not have a reservation, but can we wait for a table? The kind hostess smiles and says, "It will be only about 15 minutes. We stand near the window and look at the busy people walking outside quickly. After 10 minutes, the hostess points and says, "Your table is ready now." We follow her through the loud room to a nice, quiet corner table. We all sit down slowly on the soft chairs and feel very comfortable there. The waiter comes quickly and gives each of us a big, clean menu. He says, "I will be back in a few minutes to take your drinks order." We open the large menus and start looking at all the delicious food pictures. The menu has many interesting pizza names and different pasta dishes today. I ask my friend, "What kind of dish do you think you want to order now?" My friend says, "I really want a simple pizza with lots of tasty cheese." I am still looking at the list of salads because I like fresh green vegetables. It is hard to choose because everything looks so good and tempting. The polite young waiter returns to our table with his small black notebook.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
He asks us, "Are you ready to order your drinks and food this evening?" I say, "Yes, please. I would like a large glass of sparkling water with lemon." My first friend orders a cold glass of sweet red wine with her dinner tonight. My second friend orders a big bottle of dark beer, cold from the fridge. The waiter asks, "What would you like to eat for your main course today?" I ask the waiter, "Could you please tell me about the special soup of the day?" He says, Today's special soup has tomatoes, cream, and fresh basil leaves. I decide quickly and say, I will take the special tomato soup and a side salad. My first friend chooses the small mushroom pizza with extra cheese on top. My second friend orders the big spaghetti dish with meatballs and red sauce. The waiter carefully writes down all our complete order in his small notebook. He asks, "Is that everything for you? Or do you want anything else now?" We say, "Yes, thank you very much. That is everything we need right now." He smiles and says, "Your drinks will arrive very quickly, and food soon after." We give the menus back to the waiter, and he walks quickly toward the kitchen. I look around the busy restaurant and see many happy people eating delicious food. The smell of the cooking food from the kitchen is absolutely wonderful and strong. I tell my friends I am really happy we chose this nice restaurant for dinner. Our drinks arrive quickly, and the waiter places them carefully on the clean table. I take a big sip of my cold sparkling water with lemon and feel refreshed. My friend says, "This red wine is very good in taste, sweet and fruity."
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
The waiter carefully places my bowl of hot tomato soup right in front of me. He puts the friend's pizza and the spaghetti dish on the table easily. He asks, "Is there anything else I can get for you right at this moment?" We thank him and say, "Everything looks perfect. Thank you very much." I pick up my spoon and take the first small bite of the special tomato soup. I say to my friends, "This warm soup is absolutely delicious and very flavorful." My first friend says, "My mushroom pizza is really tasty. I love the extra cheese." My second friend says, "The spaghetti sauce is rich and the meatballs are tender." I eat my fresh green side salad very slowly, enjoying all the crisp vegetables. The waiter passes our table, and I motion for him to come over quickly. I ask the waiter, Could I please have another large glass of sparkling water? He immediately brings the second glass of sparkling water with fresh lemon quickly. My friends finish their pizza and spaghetti and say they are completely full. I say to the waiter, "Thank you, everything was wonderful. Could we get the bill?" He quickly goes to the front desk and returns with the small folded paper bill. He places the bill on the table in a small, black leather folder for us. We decide to split the total cost of the dinner equally among the three of us. I take my credit card out of my small bag to pay for my part of the meal. The waiter brings the small payment machine to our table so I can pay easily. I give the money for the tip to the waiter, saying, "Thank you very much." We stand up from the table, put on our coats, and collect our small bags now.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.